Greg's safaris in Basseterre, St. Kitts, and Nevis. While vacationing on St. Kitts, take a break from the coastal heat and explore beyond the shore, our island's beautiful hinterland, where lushly forested mountains rise to over 3,000 vertical feet and ancient sugar plantations carpet the foothills. Greg's Safaris offers 4 award-winning off-the-beaten-path island adventures: the full-day Mount Liamuiga Volcano Crater Hike, the half-day Valley of Giants Rainforest Hike and Batik Factory Tour, Phillips Rainforest Hike and 4x4 Safari, and the off-the-beaten-path 4x4 Plantation Tour. Come see such things as the Giant's Salad Bowl with its surrounding cloud forest, a fascinating plantation great house, 300-year-old rainforest trees, ebony black and golden brown sandy beaches, 3 different types of beautiful hummingbirds, unique island monkeys, mongoose, and blue pigeons. Greg was born and brought up on St. Kitts and Nevis, and following his return home from college in Nova Scotia, Canada in 1980, started working at his parents' hotel, the Ocean Terrace Inn, with one of his jobs being to do tours for the hotel's guests. While growing up on St. Kitts, Greg's parents became leaders in the local tourism industry, starting one of the first hotels in the islands, with Greg's dad eventually receiving the Order of the British Empire, OBE, from the St. Kitts government for his outstanding achievements in local industry. This has given Greg a unique grounding as well as a deep sense of understanding for his home country, and coupled with his tourism training abroad, has allowed him to become one of leading and longest-serving tour guides in the Federation of St. Kitts and Nevis. Greg and his team of certified tour guides have won many awards from the Tourism Authority for their business's high standards of service, and as well as many certificates of excellence from TripAdvisor.com, over the years. From the very beginning, Greg has used modified 4x4 Land Rovers to do his unique island safaris with. Being specially made, the 8 Land Rovers he uses today are all open-sided with mostly forward-facing, stadium-orientated seating, that provide his guests with the best way to experience exploring beyond the shores of St. Kitts and Nevis. Greg's Safaris is the only tour company in the Federation that uses 4x4 Land Rovers for touring on both islands. For your private, half-days hiking pleasure, Greg has created 2 unique looped hiking trails, one at the Phillips Mountain Valley, 2 miles long, and at the other at the Wingfield River Valley, 2.5 miles long, on St. Kitts. His company is also the only one on St. Kitts to offer driving tours from coast to coast through the lushly forested interior, and while traveling through the mountains his guests would have access to a private 5-acre mountaintop property, perched 1,000 feet sea level, a place of cool temperatures and breathtaking views, that can only be experienced on a one-of-kind 4x4 safari tour with him and his guides. Greg is one of the founding members of the St. Christopher National Trust, and as well, sits on the Central Forest Reserve National Park Committee. He is also a life member of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Brimstone Hill National Park, and is also part owner of Sky Safaris, a company he started in 2009. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.